People who rage quit your job. What was the last straw? So, the building my job was in closed down at 9 p.m. Everybody except security had to get out so they could shut everything down. One of my supervisors, I had 8 of them, yes, it was like office space, kept scheduling me until 9:30 p.m. I repeatedly brought this up at the end of the night and was always told, no, that's just a mistake, you need to leave. Fast forward 3 months, I get called into a disciplinary meeting. The reason? I kept leaving early. I had like 8 attendance points from leaving early because one of my idiot bosses, who worked in the same building and definitely should have known when it closes, couldn't figure out how to schedule. I explained my side, which is pretty obvious, and they say they'll hold off on any disciplinary action while they look into it. A couple days later, they told me they weren't going to remove those attendance points. I told them to shove it up their ass, walked out, and went to a concert with some of my now former